What is up everyone, Jflores here, and for today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make some simple, easy chicken Alfredo. Seared chicken Alfredo. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you want to learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now and ring that bell might as well. And today, September 21st is my birthday. Yay! So yeah, feel free to comment down below your birthday greetings. I would appreciate that big time. And for today's recipe, this is gonna be simple, easy chicken Alfredo. No need for long intros. Let's do this game. First, let's marinate the chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, and Worcestershire sauce. While this is marinating, let's go ahead and cook our pasta. Add some oil into the boiling water and salt. Be generous with the salt since this is the only way you can season your pasta. Today we're using Linguine Pasta, cooked until al dente, approximately 8-10 minutes. Make sure to stir very often to avoid it from sticking to your pot. Eight minutes has gone by, turn off the heat, drain and rinse your pasta with cold water to stop the cooking process right away. Now time to sear our chicken in a pan on high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil, then gently drop your chicken, cook for about 3 minutes on each side. This is looking good. Remove from the heat, set aside, then let the chicken rest. Now for our main event, in a pan add a tablespoon of oil and butter on medium heat, then saute your onions, garlic, and mushrooms. Now drop your bite-sized chicken breast and continue to saute. Sprinkle about a tablespoon of flour into the pan. This will help our sauce to thicken. Next, add in 2 cups of evaporated milk and bring to a boil. Now it's starting to boil, add in 1/2 piece of chicken cubes, then mix very well. Now add in about 50 grams of Quickmelt cheese. Baka naman, Quickmelt. Then mix very well, then bring to a boil. Now the sauce has thickened up, add in your pasta back into the pan, then mix. Look at that creamy texture, and we did not even add the cream yet. Now it's time to add about a cup of cream. Make sure the fire is off when adding the cream. Just mix very well and let's plate this up. To plate, grab your favorite bowl, add in the pasta, sprinkle with parmesan, and top it off with parsley. And voila, seared chicken Alfredo, done. So that is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you're gonna try it at home. Comment down below kung anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around. Follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Give this video a thumbs up. Again, subscribe if you like this one. Ring that bell so you won't miss an upload. That is it for today. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.